cut the pieces into small pieces, just like that. And then you throw it in a little dish. And we're gonna be marinating this for a few days. For marination, we're gonna be using soy sauce, my favorite Silver Swan, some pepper, and some lemon. There you go. Mix it up really good. A little bit of black pepper. And squeeze lots of lemon. Just like that. We're gonna mix it really good. Make sure that it gets marinated properly. And that's it, guys. This is good in the refrigerator for a couple of days. And next up, you take also 3 pounds of chicken, and you do the same thing like you did to the pork chop. Just put some mamacita marinade to it. And you should be good to go. Just like that. And mix it up well. Just like that. And you do that for a couple of days. There you have it. Marinated chicken. There you go. Seal it up nice and fresh. Good for a couple of days. All right, there you have it, guys. We just marinated chicken and pork barbecue, and also for the Bistek Tagalog, we put some soy sauce, lemon. So it's all set. Give it a few days and we'll start cooking it. For the barbecue chicken, I'm going to be doing some air fry at about 410 degrees. Get that preheated. Just a small oven. We got about 6 or 7 pieces of chicken marinated for a few days. We're going to put it in the oven for about 45 minutes. And there you have a barbecue marinated chicken. All right, there you have it, guys. In there, got about 8 pieces of chicken. And we're gonna get this thing going. Air fry. Okay, next up, we're gonna do the Bistek Tagalog. And we have here fresh slices of beef, thinly sliced, marinated for a couple of days with Silver Swan soy sauce and some lemon and some pepper. And the first step is we're going to heat up some oil. So you throw the onions in and let it fry for a good 5-10 minutes. So there goes the onion. Pan fry it a little bit until it turns a little brown, and then put it to the side. Let the oil soak in the napkin. So there's the onions there, nicely fried for a few minutes. And now it's time to put the beef in here to get it a quick fry for maybe 5 minutes before we start the process. So before we put in the marinade, We're gonna just fry this in oil a little bit, just to cook for a few minutes, and then we can start the process again with the garlic and the onion, and then the soy sauce with the beef. There you go. Let it cook for a few minutes, and then we'll flip it over to get the other side a little fried. All right, flip it over until it's lightly brown, and then let it cook for another 5 minutes, guys. You don't want to fry it so much, just enough to get it slightly brown. All right, after it's slightly fried, you put the sauce and the actual beef in a bowl, and you start again with the oil so that you can get the garlic and the onions sauteed. And then we start the process. Okay. How's the chicken doing after 20 minutes? It's baking pretty good. So leave it in there for another few. Another 15 minutes. Okay guys, start with the garlic. And then followed by the onions. And next up, we throw in the onions. Get that to a nice light brown crisp. So at this point, we're going to throw in some pepper. Some salt if you like. And of course the lemon. And once this is ready, we're going to throw in the leftover marinated sauce along with the lightly fried beef. It's the gravy. All right, we're just about ready. Go. Like mine with a lot of onions, and also we throw in the old sauce, old marinated sauce. You could also add water at this point if you like, optional. And then make sure you squeeze a lot of lemon. This is where the taste comes out. And just let it simmer. Throw in a little bit of water. Just like that. Alright, at this point it's cooking nice and well right there, as you can see. Probably do another 5 minutes and you should be wrapped up. At the same time, guys, the chicken is cooking up pretty good now. Almost done to another 5-10 minutes. Wrap it up. Okay, here's your finished product, guys. We added a little more soy sauce just to get a little more brown. And we're pretty much done here after 30 minutes of simmering. Bistek Tagalog. Alright, there you have it. Bistek Tagalog. Ready to serve. Delicious. Along with the pan-fried onions on top. So there goes the barbecue chicken. Baked for about 40 minutes using a small convectionary oven. And this is your Bistek Tagalog. Good combination. All right, let's give it a try, guys. Haven't eaten Sunday afternoon. My first real meal for the day, about 4:30. And this will be dinner as well. See ya.